Good morning everyone, this is Rajesh Palya from the technical desk. I just take you through the weekly technical view for the Nifty as well as the USD view. In the last week, Nifty opened on a flat note, but throughout the week we have witnessed the extreme volatility in the index. Nifty lost around 74 points compared to the previous week at closed at around 7489 level. In the last two trading session of a week, we have seen that Nifty has gained some positive momentum in the market and Nifty tried to erase its previous loss of the week. Nifty has formed a long bearish candle with a long lower shadow indicating that there was a buying interest at the lower level. If we look at the last 4 weeks of the move, there was a consolidation action in the broad range of 7300 to 7600 for Nifty. So till the Nifty not gives the breakout or breakdown of this range, it will remain in this range for a few more trading session. And once we get the decisive breakout of this range, then Nifty will decide the direction either up or down from this level. The index is continuously moving in the lower top lower bottom formation on the weekly chart, indicating that there is a sustained downtrend in the medium short to medium term basis. The chart pattern suggests that the Nifty is having immediate and important support resistance area at around 7530 level, and if Nifty managed to cross this level, then we may see further more upside in the range of 7580 to 7700 in near term basis. On the lower side, 7400 is the immediate and major support area for Nifty. If Nifty breaks this level, then lower side level could come at around 7350 and 7300 for the Nifty. If we look at the moving averages, Nifty managed to give the crossover again to its important and near term moving average of 20-day simple moving average. And if Nifty holds this level, then we'll see positivity to remain in the near term basis. We are expecting that Nifty will trade in the range of around 7650 on the higher side, and lower side 7350 could be the possible range for Nifty. Looking at the indicators, the RSI strength indicator is still in the negative zone, which is suggesting that for any kind of pullback action will meet to the supply pressure on higher side. However, on the momentum oscillator front, it has turned positive from its oversold territory, which is a sign of positivity on the near term chart front. So any minor corrective action will get the support buying action in the market. For the day, 7465 is the pivot level, and as we have closed at around 7479 level, and we have closed above pivot level and Nifty opened on a flat to positive note, then positivity to remain continued throughout the session, and on the higher side 7525 7565 could act as a resistance for intraday basis. On the lower side, if Nifty breaks 7465 level, then lower side support would come at around 7430 7370 on the lower side. Some positive bias stocks for the day are SKS Micro, PNB, Union Bank, ICICI Bank, Petronet and Dr. Reddy. However, some negative bias stocks for the day are GAIL and Ipca Laboratory. Now moving to the USD view. In the last trading session, USD trade was very muted and very lackluster kind of move we have witnessed in the USD. USD moved in a range of 68 to 67.80 throughout the session and closed at around 67.86 compared to the previous trading session. In the last trading session, USD has formed again doji kind of candlestick pattern, which is again sign of indecisiveness among the participant. So for near term trend, the 67.74 is the immediate and important support area for USD. If USD breaks this level, then we may see further more downside in the range of 67.60 to 67.50 level. However, USD is forming higher top higher bottom formation on the daily as well as on the weekly chart, which is suggesting that there is a bullishness intact on the near term to short term basis. So 67.74 could act as a good support area for any kind of minor corrective action. On the higher side, 67.90 and 68.10 are the key resistance area. If USD again manages to give the breakout of this level, then again we'll see uptrend to remain continued for USD, and on the higher side 68.30 68.40 level can be witnessed in near term to short term basis. Thanks.